Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You're starting the update now, so connect a stable network and keep the console powered. This prevents corruption mid-flash. Once signed in, head to Settings, then System, then Updates, select the available console update to begin. You do this because automatic checks can miss immediate patches. Initiating ensures you get the latest firmware and security fixes. While it downloads, avoid background downloads or game installs, and make sure your controller has fresh battery charge so you don't interrupt confirmation. Once the update is downloading, watch progress and understand the two stages. Download and apply. The latter writes system files and must not be interrupted. If the console loses connection, prepare an offline update on a 6 GB NTFS USB with the Xbox Update folder structure. This forces a clean install. You clear local saved data only when troubleshooting because cloud saves protect your profiles. Make sure Cloud Sync is enabled. Then proceed with the offline or online install as needed. After installation, the console reboots. Check Settings System Console info to confirm the new build. You should launch a game and an app to validate performance and network features. If something feels off, do a full power cycle. Hold the Xbox button 10 seconds, unplug 10 seconds, then restart. If the update still fails or hangs, use the offline USB update method or contact support. Because repeated failures indicate deeper storage or firmware corruption that needs repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.